Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can share your Instagram posts on Twitter using Azure Logic Apps. Most of us would be using Instagram and Twitter these days, and we would be clicking pictures on our mobile phones. And there may be cases when you want to share your pictures from your mobile phone into Instagram, and later, if you're a Twitter user, you want to share that picture on Twitter. For this scenario, Logic App gives us a very excellent connector where you can connect both Instagram and Twitter into the Logic App. And when you post a picture into Instagram, the Logic App automatically pushes that picture into Twitter onto your Twitter feed. So let's see how Logic App does this in this demo. I've already created a Logic App with the name Instagram to Twitter. Let's open the Logic App and start building the Logic App in the designer. If you see in this page, you have some common triggers and some templates. So let's pick up the template that suits our business scenario. In this case, I'm going to choose the share my new Instagram photos to Twitter template. Click use this template and you will see the Logic App designer window. The first step is to connect your Instagram account and your Twitter account to the Logic App. So let's start connecting the Instagram account. I'm going to give in my Instagram username and password. Okay, so that's my username, and it's basically asking you to authorize the account. So I'm going to click authorize. And yes, there you go. So my Instagram account is now authorized with the Logic App. So similarly, I'm going to authorize my Twitter account. Yes, so that's my Twitter username and password. So I'm going to click authorize app and bingo, yes. So now I have connected both my Instagram account and Twitter account with Azure Logic App, and I'm going to click continue to continue building the Logic App. This is the Logic App designer screen, and you will see the different steps in the designer. The first step is the Instagram step, which defines what to do when you upload a picture into your Instagram account. The second step would be to add any HTTP headers to your request if required. And the third step would be to post a new tweet with the Instagram picture details onto your Twitter feed. So now let's customize each step as per a requirement. So this is the first step. This is a trigger for your Instagram. So here we'll define how often you want the trigger to run. So we just click on the edit button and say the default it's defined to 3 minutes. You can leave it at the default setting, or we can even change the value as per requirement. So here I'm going to set the value to 1 minute, and I'm not going to define any HTTP headers in this case. And let's go to the third step and the final step, where what would be the tweet that would be posted when I publish a picture onto my Instagram stream. So by default, you would have the media caption text already loaded. You can also have some additional options and some additional parameters to be uploaded along with the tweet. So in this case, I'm just going to edit this placeholder. Say Instagram post and the post that we actually post on Instagram. You can give the Instagram the first name of the person, or you can give the full name of the user. So in this case, I'm going to define the full name and also define the URL. So the image URL. All right, so I'm going to just select this one So if you see, the final Twitter post would contain the details as Instagram post followed by whatever post you post on Instagram with the hashtags, and by, if it's going to be my username, it will say my username or my full name, and then the image URI for the post. So I think that's it, and so let's save the Logic app, and I have Instagram on my phone right now, and I'm going to submit a picture onto my Instagram stream. So I'll be back in few minutes. All right, so I have uploaded a picture onto my Instagram feed. So yes, so that's the picture I just uploaded onto the Instagram stream. So this was recently taken at Jenny's Club in Coimbatore when the Microsoft Future Decoded bus on had made a visit to Coimbatore. So that's the picture I just posted on my Twitter, on my Instagram feed, and let's see if the picture has been posted on my Twitter feed. Yeah, so I've given the trigger time to be 1 minute, so I'm just hoping the trigger has executed already, so not yet. Oh yeah, okay, so there you go. So as we defined, it says Instagram post, and the post that I had defined on Instagram, and it says by the name of the Instagram user and the URL to the Instagram post. So that's it. So and now let's see if let's see the trigger details. So I'm just going to refresh the trigger. Oh yes, so there's been a trigger that has been fired very recently, a couple of minutes ago. So that's the one, and there's been a successful trigger run. So that's why we have the Instagram image now available on Twitter. So it's as easy as this, that you can now share your Instagram photographs on Twitter using an Azure Logic app. So go ahead and automate your frequently used action, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting more such videos in future. Thank you. Bye bye.